Hello, it's March the 16th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained against the other major currencies as concern in Japan over radiation leaks caused investors to buy the dollar as a refuge. In addition, the Federal Reserve maintained its asset purchase program and kept borrowing costs at a record low at 0.25%. Nasdaq and Dow Jones fell by 1.25% and 1.15% respectively. Crude oil dropped by 4% owing to the deterioration in Japan to close at $97.18 a barrel. Gold weakened by 2.3% to close at $1,392.80 an ounce. Today, building permits are expected to rise from 0.56 million to 0.57 million, while PPI is expected to weaken from 0.8% to 0.6%. The euro closed almost unchanged. On the daily chart, resistance for the euro dollar is currently at 140.40. Should the pair cross this line, however, the euro will continue to rise to 141 and above. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 138.55 and a high of 140.13. Today, core CPI and CPI are expected to remain at 1.10% and 2.4%. The pound fell against the dollar and the yen as Japanese Prime Minister Naoto Kan said that the danger of further radiation leaks from the crippled reactor is increasing, driving demand for safer assets. Next support on the daily chart for the pound dollar is at 160. As long as the pair is trading below 161.20, the dollar is the more attractive. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 159.78 and a high of 161.85. Today, BOE Governor King speaks. The yen rose against all of its major pairs as concern in Japan over radiation leaks increased speculation that insurers will repatriate assets to pay for earthquake damages. The dollar-yen's momentum is still very bearish. As long as the pair is trading below 82, the momentum remains negative for the US dollar. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.60 and a high of 82.03. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar fell the most it has in almost 10 months versus the dollar as oil dropped over concern that a nuclear accident outside of Tokyo may cripple the global economy. The pair has broken 0.98, so the US dollar has become bullish again. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 0.9920. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9737 and a high of 0.9973. Today, manufacturing sales are expected to rise from 0.40% to 1%. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.